Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show us how we can find the slope of a graph. All right, using this. Okay, solution. We have function of x equals to 1 over 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 3x plus 4. All right, for us to find the slope of this graph at x equals to 4, we need the derivative of the function of this x, and then we can now evaluate it at x equals to 4. All right, so now what do? We find the derivative of this function, and that is d dx 1 over 2 x squared. Okay, so let's differentiate this and see what we have. Okay, I have made videos on how to differentiate, and you can go back to check that, or as well I can show us. Okay, so if you have x raised to power n, it becomes nx raised to power n minus 1. Okay, so if you are differentiating this now, it becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 x 2 minus 1. Okay, that is what this becomes. And by the time you do that, we have these two cancel these two. So we have x raised to power 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Okay, minus, if you differentiate this, it's going to give us 3. And when we differentiate a constant, it gives us 0. Okay, so the derivative of this function gives us x minus 3. All right, now let's evaluate. Let's evaluate this at x equals to 4. All right, so we have, this is what we have, equals to x minus 3, and then when x is now 4, we have 4 minus 3, and that gives us 1. Okay, so it means the slope at x equals to 4 is 1. Okay, now let's look at another question. It says we should find the slope of the graph when x is equals to, okay, solution. So we have x raised to power 3 minus 4x. All right, so as I've said, to find the slope of the graph at x equals to, what do we need? We need to find the derivative of this function first, and then we can now evaluate it at x equals to 2. All right, so now we have, let's differentiate this. This is what we have of x raised to power 3 minus 4x. All right, to differentiate, don't forget the formula. We have, if we have x raised to power n, then it becomes nx raised to power n minus 1. All right, to differentiate x raised to power 3, we have x raised to power 3 becomes 3x 3 minus 1. All right, and what does that give? It gives 3x raised to power 2. Okay, so this is 3x raised to power 2 minus, if you differentiate this, it's going to give us 4. All right, so now this is what we have got. Now we can evaluate derivative of that function at x equals to 2. So what that means is we have this equals to 3x squared minus 4. All right, so when x equals to 2 now, what do we have? We have 3, this will be 2 raised to power 2 minus 4, and that will be 3 times 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4 minus 4, and that is 12 minus 4. All right, so 12 minus 4 will give us 8. That means that the slope of that graph at x equals to 2 is 8. And this is our final answer. All right, so I want us to do this and write our answer in the comment section. Okay, I want us to find the slope of this graph when x equals to 3. Okay, we have fx 5x raised to power 3 plus 2x squared minus 5. Okay, so when x equals to 3. So I want us to find the slope of this graph at x equals to 3. All right, Don't forget to like, to comment your answer in the comment section, and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank